Hey folks, Mr. Max again. It's been a while. Anyway, I have another quick one to show you guys how to remove this shift knob on 2016 Altima. Hang on there. So I have to remove the console, this here. I gotta remove this, but this is in the way and I have to remove that knob. And I try to figure how to get this thing out, so I was able to see how to get it out. You see this here? You gotta push this down. Let me use this. I use this. Push that down. You push that down and it exposes the clip that's holding this. You see this here? That's a clip there. Let me bag this out a little bit. So that clip, so once you pry that out, see that? I'm gonna try to hold that so I don't lose it. You pry that out. It's a little tricky to get this thing out. Okay, that's out now. So this is what's holding it. Once you get this out, then this comes out. See? Comes out. Alright, so that's it. That's how you get this out. So in order to be able to remove the whole thing. Okay. So I gotta, this is in the way. So once I get this out, then I could get to the screws that's holding that's still holding this in place. Alright, so let's see if I could pry this up. No. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta remove these screws. These screws. But that's for this. Anyway. So whatever is holding it, it's holding it somewhere here. So I have to remove this. Alright. So I'm gonna work on that now. Alright, so I had to take this off. This had to come off in order to get to this here. So I could get this out. What else is holding it? Oh, this here. So this here is holding. I gotta pry this. Yeah, these things are not easy sometimes to take out. Yeah, let's hold this is in the way. So I gotta get this thing out. Okay, let's see if I could pry this out. Yeah. Get that sucker out. So this goes in there. This one is damaged. Yeah. So that's gone. Now I could get this out. Yeah, once this is out, then there are two screws holding this thing here. This one and that one there. So once that's out, then this whole thing comes out. Let's see here. Get this one here. Okay, now this comes out. Should be. Okay, I gotta unplug these wires. And this will be out. I'll unplug this wire here. Okay. Unplug this. Let's see. Okay, so I unplug this one. That one. Unplug that. I have this cigarette lighter, so I squeeze this, comes out. I think that's it. What else is holding it? I think that comes out. Swing that out. Alright, so this is out. So now I could take the carpet out and wash this clean. Clean the carpet. So that's why I'm doing all this. Okay. Gotta replace this panel. Gotta get another one. So that's damaged. So this is my next project. I gotta fix the front of this car. Get a mirror, hood, both headlights, front bumper cover, the grille, fender liner. The fender liner that goes there. I think it's both sides, left and right fender liner. And do some paint work on both sides. The whole side I gotta do this is driver's side and the passenger side. Excuse me, and a little bit here. The roof I won't touch. The trunk lid I'm not gonna touch. So that's what's going on, alright folks. So yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now, and tomorrow I'm gonna go to the auction, the yard where they have the crash cars. I'm gonna show you what I do. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and share the video. Okay, thank you.